Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This is the Vulcan. It's been a while since I made a video. I have been extremely busy in the lab, extremely busy in the markets, making money for my clients. If you're not a client, you're playing yourself because you're missing out on one of the most zaniest, craziest bull market, artificially inflated price action on record. Basically, the analysis is quite simple. Buy everything. Buy everything. Buy stocks, buy commodity futures, buy gold, buy silver. Just buy. The government is printing money and just giving it away to you. Just buy it. Okay? Just buy. That's pretty much what's happening. All right. Enough clowning around. But seriously, you guys are missing out. Also, if you're not over at the website at polscan.blogspot.com and checking out the live chat that we have going on every day during market hours, during trading hours, you're also missing out. You're missing out on some amazing intraday calls and plays on individual equities and futures and Forex. You're missing out. Like I stated before, I do not always have time to do a video because I'm busy. I'm busy trading. I'm busy doing my analysis. And so the best thing to do if you want to know what's going on and you want the most current Vulcan report, you need to go to polscan.blogspot.com and check it out. As far as the Black Ops Trading live chat, you need to check that out because that's where I will post the spreadsheets, the interactive spreadsheets on Google Docs that you can download and you can print them into an Excel spreadsheet or in a PDF, whatever tickles your fancy. You're able to go in there and check out all the hundreds of stocks and ETFs and Forex and all the securities that we're following and trading, and you can check out all the pulse waves as they come. If you're missing these pulse waves, again, you are playing yourself. You're missing out on amazing trading opportunities. You're missing out on opportunities to make money. I don't do this for fun. I do this for real. Okay, we trade real markets with real money. We're not paper trading. Okay, I do not have to do videos. I do not have to upload a spreadsheet. I can just trade and make money for my clients and not even have to worry about it. I put out these videos. I do the spreadsheet because I'm trying to help the little man. I'm trying to help everyone else who may not have the resources to subscribe to some kind of newsletter or what have you. Some newsletters run you $20,000 a month and even more than that. Did you know that? Some subscription services are totally unaffordable. They charge you hundreds of dollars. I'm not charging you a dime. I'm doing this for free, trying to help out the other patriots out there who are trying to get their financial house in order, so that when the economic collapse falls down upon your head, you will be able to have an umbrella. All right? You got to have a financial umbrella because when the rainstorm comes, the rainstorm will blow you away. All right? So I'm trying to hook you up. I've been trying to encourage you guys to open your brokerage accounts while you still can. The day is coming when you're not going to be able to. It's not going to be so easy. So even if you don't have any money to put in there, go ahead, go online, fund the account. People ask me, where should I go? What account? Go to ThinkorSwim.com. Just that simple. Go to ThinkorSwim.com. Open up your account. Make sure that you fill out the paperwork to trade stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and Forex. Do it while you still can. You need the paper fiat currency if you want to buy a loaf of bread. I keep telling you that. They're not going to let you buy a loaf of bread with a gold and silver coin. The day is coming where you're going to need to cash in the gold and silver for the fiat currency, regardless of what form or shape the fiat currency is in, because you're still going to need to be able to eat, and you're still going to need to be able to do commerce. and you're still going to need to be able to travel across state lines. So listen to what I'm saying to you. I'm trying to hook you up. I'm trying to help you. The day will come where I will probably not be able to do any more videos because I will be too busy. So I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to hook you up. I'm telling you what you need to do. I have all types of links in the sidebar of this video. Too many links to count. Full of information. Alright? Those of you who have been slipping, who have not been going to wideawakenews.com, you haven't been following Charlie's radio broadcast, you haven't been logging on to the website and checking out those articles. He's been working hardcore overtime trying to bring you the noise to let you know what's going on. There's a lot of things happening, and if you're not tuning into the radio broadcast on a regular basis, especially on Thursdays when I'm on there, you're playing yourself. Alright, this window is going to be closing very shortly, and things are going to be turning and just getting really chaotic and very frightening for a lot of you. So I've been trying to prepare you for the amazing things that are about to overtake you. You're about to see prices do some really scary things to your bank account or lack thereof. You know, I'm not the only one who's been telling you that they're coming after your 401ks and your pensions. They are. They're coming. Not only that, but your dollar is getting crushed on the global stage. It's getting crushed, but you still need it. You're just going to need a lot more of it in order to buy a loaf of bread. So I've been trying to hook you up so that you can still afford to buy that loaf of bread. The only way I see being able to do that is through trading. Every other business on the face of the earth is struggling and not really being able to make it like they used to. Yeah, there's still businesses generating a profit, but it's nowhere like it used to be. So for a lot of you who are unemployed and whatever, or you got a nest egg socked away and it's just sitting in the bank or something, again, you're playing yourself. Your money cannot sit idle. It has to be at least generating at least a nominal interest or something. I'd rather get a 1% return on my money than a no percent return on my money. Then I'm losing my spending power as inflation begins to kick in. Hyperinflation is not a joke. It's true. It's hitting you. Go to the grocery store. You tell me how much fruit has gone up and vegetables have gone up. All right, anyway, the chart that you're looking at is a Dow industrial average, the Dow Jones. It's the cash index. You see where we're at. You see we broke 11,000. You heard me say it on the broadcast weeks ago on the radio show that we were going to break 11,000. If you was in the chat room, you saw me post it that was going to happen. I told you what was up. I posted the pulse waves. I told you what prices, the inflection points were. I told you what the big institutions were, and I warned you, and you should have made money. Anyone who has not made any kind of money whatsoever from me posting these videos in the chat room and going on a radio show, what's your problem? If you got money and you ain't made no money, it's your fault. Because, again, I am not the only voice on YouTube that's been telling you where to put your money and how to do it. There are other traders on YouTube that are saying the exact same thing I've been telling you. There are other traders on YouTube that told you that this was a bull market and that you shouldn't be heaping up huge short positions, not just yet anyway, because it's still bullish. You don't go short until the market tells you to, all right? So, if you've been shorting and getting your face ripped off, now you know why. Because you can't fight the Fed. That's what that saying means. It means that the Fed is going to make the market be propped up and rally. You can't stop that train. You don't have trillions of dollars. But Bernanke does. He is the master trader. He is the chief trader, okay? He pushes the button, and he has trillions of dollars behind his trades. He can crash a market. He can rally a market. So if he's going to rally it, do you want to be shorting that? Of course not. And if he's going to crash it, do you want to be buying that? No. You wait till the dust settles, then you get in there. All right? I am not a perpetual bull. I'm not married to long or shorts. I will short the dickens out of anything. I do not care. I will buy anything. If the market's bullish, I'm long. If it's short, I'm shorting. It's just how it is. All right? And remember, you buy pullbacks and you run away from dips. All right? A dip is a strong spike downward, the beginning of a down move, a powerful move, and if that happens, it's going to stab you through the heart and you're going to bleed to death. A pullback is a short-term retracement from a bullish inflection point that builds the support for the next leg up, all right, beyond the previous resistance. Those you can buy, all right, but we're not seeing that yet. So when we do, you need to handle your business. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, about to end this video. Name of this video is named Liar, Liar, Markets on Fire. Okay, here we go. You have been seeing it in the news that the markets, all the big hedge funds and institutions are on the sidelines, all this cash on the side, cash on the side, cash on the side. That is a bold-faced lie. Big institutions, sovereign wealth funds, and what have you have been in this market since the beginning. They've been in the market since the lows of 2009. What do you think the 666 was for? It was a signal letting the big boys, the elite people know that the bottom was in and it was time to buy everything in sight. Now, not only did they buy your stocks that you sold to them like an idiot, but they also bought your house. That's why a lot of you got foreclosed on. They also are buying states and local municipalities. They're buying up everything. They're buying the country. The country has been on sale for a long time. So now they're now they're buying you. All right, because you're buying the bull that they're giving you. All right, they took your job away. They're buying everything. While they're telling you to be afraid, they're filling you with fear, telling you to be afraid of your own shadow, telling you Al-Qaeda is coming to get you, telling you to be ready for false flags in your neighborhood coming near you, and you just taking it. All right, they're lying to you. The institutions are the ones that are moving the market. Don't you ever forget it. All right. The Fed moves the markets with the help of the sovereign wealth funds and the big, large, connected hedge funds and institutions who are in the know. All right, they move when the Fed moves. The Fed alerts them what they're going to do, and then they move with it. It's always been that way. And that way, the game is rigged. Okay, so they don't want you riding on their coattails. That's why they tell you to get out the market while they're in it and they're making a ton of money. I'm just trying to tell you the way the game is being played, all right? Now, when they take their money out, all right, because there's going to be a signal when it's time to get out, like they did in 2008, all right? When that signal comes, you better be getting out too. You better take profit on your longs and start building up your shorts and go short. And you're going to have to be quick on the trigger. That's all I'm saying. So, for right now, the market's bullish. It's going to be bullish for some time. Until we get the signal to sell, buy everything in sight. Don't listen to the media. Don't listen to them lying to you, telling you that the big boys are out of the market. It's a lie. It's a hoax. And they say, oh, look at the market rallying on light volume. It's all retail stupid people. No. Remember, they hide the volume in the dark pools. The dark pool volume is not counted, okay? Trillions of dollars being hidden in the markets. All right? Not to mention, they also play Forex and futures. So it may look like no one's in the market or no one's home, but trust me, there is someone home. Markets just don't move up and down without people in them. I can't buy stock from you unless someone's selling. Look at the options. Don't take my word for it. Look at check Peep Dude's video. What is it? Stock market funding. That guy with the options. Look. He done told you how many times he had to post videos showing you where someone's buying like 100,000 calls or 100,000 puts. Dude, ain't no retail guy got that kind of money. Okay, not on no SPX options anyway. Not when it's an option. One option could cost you like $20,000. That's institutional money. Ringing a bell now? All right. Anyway, I'm off my soapbox. This is the Vulcan. I'm out. Remember, take what you can, give nothing back. Don't be a dummy. Follow the advice. Peace out.